Welcome guys. In this video I will write the Python program for the 7th exercise of chapter 8. For this exercise text.txt file is given. Program will read the file's contents and determine the number of uppercase letters in the file, the number of lowercase letters in the file, the number of digits in the file and the number of whitespace characters in the file. Let's write the program. This is the text.txt file where the program will read the content. So first of all, open the file and read its content. Create a variable file and set this equal open. Give the name of the file text.txt and give the mode in which you want to open the file. We are going to open the file in read mode. After this, read the entire content of the file and store in a string variable. So create a variable file content and store the whole content of the file in this variable as a string. For this we will use a file.read method. File.read method returns the whole content of the file as a string. Now initialize the counters for uppercase letters, lowercase letters, digits and whitespace characters. So create a variable uppercase count and set this equal 0. Create lowercase count. Also set this equal 0. Similarly create digit counts. And create one more counter for white spaces. Also set this equal 0. Now iterate through each character in the file content. For this we will use the for loop for characters in file content and check if character is uppercase. If char dot is uppercase is upper, then add 1 to the uppercase count. So set uppercase count plus equal 1. Now check if character is lower, elif char dot is lower, add 1 to the lowercase count. Similarly, check if the character is digit. Char dot is digit, then add 1 to the digit count. Digit count plus equal 1. Now check for the white space. Elif char dot is space, then add 1 to the white space count. Now at the end, display the results. Print uppercase letters, or the value stored in the uppercase count. Print the lowercase letters or value stored in the lowercase count. Similarly, print digits or value stored in the digits count. And at last, print white space characters are value stored in the white space count. Now run the program. Uppercase letters are 29, lowercase letters are 1228, digits are 30, and white space characters are 260.